in terms of country selection, now abhi is particular field mein there are multiple universities available, right?
Yeah.
In different locations prominently. So why do you think कि UK ही तुम्हारा first preference था? Why not any other country for that matter?
The very first reason is UK has the most prestigious universities around the world, and everyone knows that UK has the best universities. They are also offer like worldwide known for the education purpose.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another podcast of AceMap Prep, and today we are going to share the success story of Shahnawaz, one of the prominent students that we have ever had and one of the nicest kid I would say, who was there with me throughout the process, and now he is going to pursue his bachelor's from the UK. So let's hear it from Shahnawaz. How was the entire process for him, right? Welcome to the podcast, Shahnawaz, and congratulations on the offer first of all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for.
Cool. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling so much excited after all.
Very excited, right? So, Shahnawaz, see now, basically now you've had the offer, right? And you are in the visa process, right?
Yeah.
You are ready to take it the next step ahead. So, what do you think? I mean, throughout the process, what was the best thing that you ever felt कि यार नहीं इस वेब ने मुझे इस हिसाब से हेल्प किया और आज यूनिवर्सिटी मैंने क्रैक किया for my bachelor's. तो what is the key point to it?
The main key point was the support. Actually, the main thing is many agency doesn't support to the children.
Mm-hmm.
They might get into the fraud, or they will not tell the entire process or what are the outcomes after that. But in the AceMap Prep, it was all clear that we are going to do bachelor's in biomedical science. First part was career, that how you are going to manage your career. You will be studying biomedical, molecular genetics. And after that, what you are going to become. As per my dream, I want to become a research scientist. And throughout my journey, you all have helped me to achieve my dream. And especially for the university part, I was quite confused that what should I choose. But the ARU Cambridge is the best that I have got for my degree.
Perfect. Acha, tell me one thing, Shahnawaz, because 12th के बाद it is very difficult for students to opt for any particular field for bachelor's, right? कुछ लोग prominently medical science के towards जाना neglect करते हैं, right? People would want to go for the prominent fields, right? But after plus 2, why do you want to opt for this field? मतलब क्या interesting लगा in biomedical sciences and genomics particularly?
My main interest is in genetics, actually, genetical part of microorganism. For the main specific reason, I have always watched movies and I have went to field trips with my dad, and he's also in the fish culture. So he always discussed with the genetics and the disease that have been happening in the fish and what are the reasons for their causing. So I was quite with him only most of the time. So my main interest went to research instead of MBBS or any other field.
All right.
Yeah.
And in terms of country selection, now abhi इस particular field में there are multiple universities available, right?
Yeah.
In different locations prominently. So why do you think कि UK ही तुम्हारा first preference था? Why not any other country for that matter?
The very first reason is UK has the most prestigious universities around the world, and everyone knows that UK has the best universities. They are also offer like worldwide known for the education purpose.
Mm-hmm.
And my father's first priority was UK actually.
Okay.
And then he went, if not UK, then you can go for the US or for the Germany. But UK was the first, and he also some friends were there. So they also tell him that UK is the best if you want to study for the biomedical research science. So that's
right.
I opt for the UK.
ठीक है. And what about the university ARU? I mean, it's a university में particularly अच्छा क्या होगा? Like what sort of curriculum are you gonna have in this course?
The main thing is the Cambridge. Especially
As a location, absolutely.
Yeah, as a location,
Yeah.
Cambridge is the best place for study. And they also have their special science center, eye science center, which is especially for biomedical students only, for the research purpose. And their curriculum, their course curriculums, which include genetics and obviously my favorite, microbiology, immunology. These are the few subjects that I want to pursue for my majors in masters.
Right. So, Shahnawaz, abhi jaise you are in the visa process, ठीक है?
Yes.
Going for a January intake, absolutely, which is like very difficult to get through because seats की availability कम होती है, right?
Yes.
Still you were able to get through it. You've started, getting in touch with other students as well. Groups में भी like you are a part of group as well. Now
Yeah.
you understand कि कैसे लोग जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे, right?
Yes.
कौन bachelors करने आ रहे हैं. India से you mentioned थोड़ी देर पहले
Yeah.
काफी लोग जा रहे हैं, right?
Yeah, there
So
are.
what do you think, like particularly in terms of जो प्रोफाइल तुम लेकर जा रहे हो, right? और जो प्रोफाइल बाकी लोग लेकर आ रहे हैं, is it like from the similar background, सबने similar ही enhance किया है प्रोफाइल को, or did they work on some other projects जो तुमने नहीं करा पहले?
No, most of them have no profile actually. They are only like they are passed from +2 and they are trying to go for the UK universities only.
Okay.
Most of them, even in they are going through agency, but they also their agency also didn't inform any information to them. They are only complete blind regarding the how is the process, what is happening, how much percentage is done, how much progress we have made up to now. They have nothing.
So do you think कि if you have time to work on the application and if you try to enhance the profile in terms of the projects that we did, right?
Yes.
We worked on the certifications, we
Yes.
worked on multiple other things in terms of enhancing the profile and just to upskill ourselves. So do you think कहीं ना कहीं ये help करेगा student को after their bachelor's, or is it fine if they are having a freshers profile and they want to apply for the same university?
It will help after bachelor's also. It will help as they will know the multiple reasons for their research field. As I am in research area,
Mhm.
I have done many courses like in the microbial genetics, antimicrobial theory, and I've also made in like antimicrobial disease also. So I got to learn more about the microbial genesis and more about the genetical part of the microorganisms, which will help me in choosing my career and after that what I can do.
All right. So, Shahnawaz, let's talk about the process majorly, right? Because abhi people who are watching this video, they might not be able to relate कि internally 3 महीने का जो time होता है, उसके अंदर exactly होता क्या है कि student अच्छी university से offer लेकर आ सकते हैं, right? So, let's recall it from the very beginning when we had a call. Starting में, what do you think कि जो हमारा discussion हुआ था, उस केस में हमने क्या क्या चीजें discuss करी थी और क्या क्या चीजें हम लोग कर पाए practically on paper जिससे आज हम offers achieve कर पाए?
Yes, as far as I remember, our first day was on 1st July. Yeah,
Alright.
the first month of.
Thanks for informing me about the date.
Yeah, it was the first day I remember. And after that, we have made our target that if we want to apply for January intake, we have 45 days remaining as per the application start and the deadline also.
Right.
In 45 days, we have made our targets for 4 to 5 different multiple like courses that are related to my field for the microbial organism or antimicrobial theory or that are related to my area.
Okay.
And we have also made our achievement to dwarf all the courses.
Right.
And after that, we have made our target for the guided project. One is the guided project, and the other two are self-made project.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So guided project also we have completed in the Coursera part, and I have made 2 self-made projects on the archibacteria, and the other is on the genetics. How genetic organisms can give advantage to the environment, and how it will help in the future. And other than that, we have discussed about the NGO part also,
Right.
which we have also completed, and our profile was the best that we can get in 45 days.
Absolutely. ठीक है. I mean, see, the reason behind that was you were very, up to the mark when it comes to, getting things done timely, right? Because I still remember I gave you a deadline of working on these things in 1 week and you made sure that you're having it done, right? वो एक हफ्ते में जो काम मिला है अगर कर लोगे तो spill over नहीं होगा and you will be able to achieve what you want to, right? Absolutely. Chalo. And moving ahead, talking about the entire framework of how we moved ahead with the applications, SOPs पे काम किया, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah, but-
when it comes to studying abroad, सबसे बड़ा question होता है हर एक applicant का कि मेरे essays और SOPs पे कैसे काम होगा, because that holds a lot of weightage in the application.
Yes.
So what do you think when we were into the essay वाला journey of ours, कितना easy था और कितना fun था वो?
The first thing is I have to give you the information, which I also don't know fully if that must be the right part or I'm telling something extra or not. Then the main part was done by you, that completing the essay into the perfect area with the perfect alignment of the words. That is the most important thing. Anything required in the essay or part in the personal statement. That's why I have got my offer letter after all.
Sure, perfect. But Shahnawaz, what do you think? I mean, अगर प्रोफाइल में हम लोगों ने इतना काम किया नहीं होता, क्या हम essays में वो सारी चीजें लिख पा रहे होते कभी?
No,
Right.
no. We cannot give that much achievement in the essay
Right.
if we have not made any profile for us.
So I mean, the only crux of it is कि profile build करना बहुत important है, because तभी तुम essays और SOPs में उस चीज को highlight करते हो.
Yeah, because they will study mainly the essay part. Later on, they will see what is your CV, how much you have done. They will see the essay, the personal statement that you have made.
Absolutely. चलो ठीक है. Moving ahead, application हुआ हमारा, then we waited for the offer. कितने time में offer आ गया?
The quickest offer I ever got in like 10 days.
Right. After the offer, right? Because initially we were planning to go for the next year as well. 26
Yeah.
intake भी देखते हैं, because January intake काफी छोटा है and that too काफी कम time बचा है.
Yeah.
But you are very adamant कि नहीं, dad बोल रहे हैं January intake ही देखो, कोई बात नहीं, reject हो जाएगा तो अगले intake देख लेंगे. But luckily we had the buffer of 40 days with us. We worked on the profile, we gathered the profile, worked on essays, right? And we tried putting an application. कि देखते हैं यार application करके, but it's like a long shot for us, but one of the best shot that we can take
Yeah.
as per the profile that we
We
have.
tried our best and we have got finally. the offer.
Absolutely. So, talking about your experience overall, right, with ACE My Prep, considering now you're in the visa process, right? Abhi biometric है कल, right? Now,
Yes.
starting from the first call, then we had worked on the profile enhancement. We made the entire plan. Dates fix करा कि एक हफ्ते में इतना करना है, अगले महीने ये करना है, right? उसके बाद we applied essays करके, then we got the offer, then we moved to visa. So, if you have to rate ACE My Prep on a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you gonna rate it?
Why 1 to 10? Why not 100?
Okay, so in terms of 1 to 100, how much are you gonna rate it now?
Above 1000. That's the best of my rating.
That's so sweet of you, यार. ठीक है शाहनवाज.
Yeah.
अभी if you have anything to add on, because I think most of the students who are in the initial stages of their applications, be it bachelor's or master's, right, or people who are freshly out of school, plus two में भी है basically, right, and if they want to move ahead with their bachelor's or master's abroad, be it any country, any course they want to go for. So if they're watching this video, what sort of suggestion you want to give them, and what do you want to tell them ki what is an ideal plan to execute when it comes to studying abroad as per a student?
As per a student, I would say that if you have already determined your goal, what you want to achieve in your life, then it will be far more easier for anyone. Otherwise, you need to take some guidance also, so that they will help you that in which field you are best. And ACE My Prep, especially this consultancy, has helped me a lot, because right now there are a lot of scams are also happening for the abroad part.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but it is very trusted agency also. And even though I have few friends in my community also where I have got offer letter, they do not have single idea about it. How is this process happening? How much they have progressed in the cash apartment, cash shield, how much they have made the progress. They don't even know that much. Means they are complete blind. They don't know anything about their offer letter or anything. I would say that this consultancy is the best that I have got.
It's
As per the
basically
time.
about the transparency that we're talking about.
Yeah, the transparency is the best way here.
Absolutely. ठीक है. And और क्या ही कर सकते हैं शानवाज, और बताओ किस बारे में बात करेंगे. चलो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हमसे. ठीक है. So one more thing, Shahnawaz, because when it comes to studying abroad and consultancies which are not in your locality, right? If you are from Delhi itself, you'll try to find consultancies that are here in the or around your location prominently, right? But you're not from Delhi and we are based out of Delhi, right? So ये trust कैसे build हुआ and कैसे पता लगा इसमें prep के बारे में आपको?
Yes, my prep. I have come through for this agency through social media, through Instagram. I have seen their ad, and after that, Pragya ma'am has contacted me, and she said that I have already consulted. Up to that time, I have consultancy taken from 10 different agencies, and I still couldn't satisfy with any of them. Then I got a call from Pragya ma'am. She told me, "You have got the best agency now. No need to worry." After that, the next day, or I think on that evening only, Numair sir has called me, and he explained me the whole process. What are the things required for this your study abroad? How is your path? How you are going to make the university final? How you are going to get offer? Your insurance, your pickup facilities. All the things have been cleared by Numair sir. And after that, I have got in my mind that yes, this is the best that I can got. And after that, I had a talk with my father. On that day only, we have made the decision that we'll go with ACE My Prep. And then I come to this ministry. And after that, I will do as my career strategist will be enhancing my profile.
Alright. ठीक है. Another thing, Shan, was because throughout the process, I still remember when we had our first discussion, right, office me, and your father was also there, right? And I think he is the guy who is even more excited throughout the process, and he has been there involved, right, in and out. I was getting calls from him कि अभी क्या चल रहा है process में, कितना time और लगेगा, कहाँ से offer आ सकता है, right? So अभी तुमसे ज़्यादा excited तो वो होंगे. So
Yes.
like how excited he is right now, having an offer in hand, and now you're moving to UK in like next 1.5 months.
He is the most excited person in my family actually, because only he know that I was planning to go for the UK, and no one else
Okay.
know, not even my mom.
All right.
When we came here to Delhi for the consultancy, we had our sessions. After that, we told in home that he is going to the UK. We have made the final decision, sir.
तो फिर उससे पहले किसी को पता भी नहीं था.
No.
And now how is everybody feeling in family? I mean, obviously they'll be having a soft spot कि यार नहीं लड़का जा रहा है बाहर
Yeah, that's the emotional part in my
ठीक है.
family.
But अभी are they all happy, excited about your new journey?
They all are very much, I would say, happy also, and they also want to see me successful in my life. So they have taken it, I would say, very hard decisions in my putting stones in hard to go for the UK. After all, single child going to the UK.
होता ही है यार, but I mean it's good for you because you have
Yeah.
decided what to work on in career, right? And that too, this
Yeah.
university, the course is going to help you out.
Yeah, if you want to grow, they also know if you want to grow, you need to come out from your house. You need to see the struggle.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. ठीक है. तो अभी you are into the process of finding the accommodation, right?
Yes.
उसमें कितना टाइम लग रहा है पहले मुझे ये बताओ.
Accommodation part is very lengthy, I would say, because especially for the January intake, most of the students have already taken accommodation in September intake only. So accommodation is very less, and
Okay.
if we want to go for student accommodation, they are very rare to find, and private accommodations are quite expensive. So I'm searching for that. If I can get in near to
So
university,
then Prachi is helping out with the accommodation अभी के लिए, right?
yeah, she's helping me with that.
ठीक है, perfect. Now, before ending the call, if you have any message to any of the person who's watching this video, if you want to share your experience or want to tell them something about it.
Yes, I already told them. Yes, my breath is 1,000. If you want to scale it in 10, I will give him the 100x from my side, especially
Sure.
due to transparency, support. Even though for my IELTS also, they have supported me. I was like in a zero part for the IELTS part.
How much time did ICE take? I mean, in terms of the entire structure of it, and at what stage you were very sure कि यार अब मैं जाकर IELTS दे सकता हूँ?
I have done like 3 weeks from the course. That also you have given. Sungaival ma'am was there for me. She helped me a lot for especially in the reading and the
Reading.
interview part.
Right.
Because I'm quite shy, or you can say I'm nervous person. So whenever I had interview, I got stuck in my between the lines only. Even though ma'am had also noticed this, and she said that you can do it much better. And after a few more practices, I was quite better than the last time I performed in my interview. I would say that is also the best part, because in many agencies they are charging it also for IELTS preparation or TOEFL or whichever other exam that the university want.
So, a very like quick and last question, Vibhishan, was: do you recommend any other student to move abroad in terms of किसी भी course के लिए? Would you recommend him to go or try to go with his consultancy or consult a few members who are there in the industry, know it inside out? या आप उनको बोलोगे कि नहीं खुद से अप्लाई कर लो और
Nah.
ट्राई कर?
No, I would recommend this agency only, because if you are going through all alone this process, you will not be able to make it out. Because after all, it's a complex process. You need to be very careful with your statement, your profile. If even a single mistake can cost your offer letter get rejected.
Right.
That's it.
All right.
Even though I have tell some of my friends also regarding this agency, and they are saying that at this much price you are getting this much facilities. That's quite
It's all
impressive.
about like for us it's all about for us it's basically a career of a student, right? And it's not about the prize majorly, it's about him or her achieving their dreams. And it's for me personally, because I've done this for all the students that I've been having, मेरा सबसे पहला टेक ये होता है कि सबसे पहले ये बताओ कि बैचलर्स करना है, मास्टर्स करना है, उसके बाद करना है क्या एजुकेशन, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू नॉट इंडस्ट्री रेडी एंड इफ यू नॉट गेटिंग अ जॉब आउट ऑफ एनीथिंग दैट यू डू इन लाइफ, उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता, राइट?
No.
So I think yes, we had a pretty great journey. Now we have an offer going for UK, Cambridge particularly, right, for ARU. So ठीक है, that is my time, Shanavas, right? Thank you so much for the information. So this was Shanawaz, the student who got the offer from ARU, Cambridge, London. And if you want to apply for your bachelor's or master's abroad, you can reach out to us. You can reach out to us over LinkedIn, our website. You can directly call us. We have the number in the description. Just go reach out to us and let us help you to achieve your dreams.